It's Katrina's Prices, Home Life, and More. And of course, I am Katrina. On my channel, I share my love of home decor, cleaning, cooking vlogs, and shopping hauls. Thanks again for stopping by, and let's enjoy this video together. Today, I have a quick grocery haul and cleaning products haul for you. So let's get into it. I have an onion, 2 packs of garlic, and a large ginger root. Two tomatoes, some garlic supplements, and some Ricola. Some emergency, you can guess already, someone in this house has a cold. Dill pickles, ranch dressing, and some salad toppers. Chipotle tortilla strips, some mixed greens, salads, petite carrots, 3 half packs of water, that's bottled water, some Ritz crackers, and yeah, I need to print something, so I needed some cartridges. Now, my cleaning supplies, some Plank, 2 bottles of Clorox all-purpose cleaner, and some Febreze air mist, 2 refills of Dawn Power Wash, my absolute favorite, 2 gallons of cleaning vinegar, some new microfiber cloth, laundry detergent, and Rejuvenate towel laminate floor cleaner, and some paper plates. Well, that's it. I said it was going to be quick, and quick it was. Thank you so much again for stopping by. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below. Thank you again for your prayers. Mom and I are mending slowly. I'm hoping to be back real soon with my long form videos. But until then, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. I already look forward to seeing you on my next video.